guys, welcome back to the TheFigHome. I am currently in Ikea. We came to pick up a dresser. We've been wanting to get now for almost 2 years, but we've been lagging on coming to get it. But we're finally gonna do it, and it's just the mom dresser, the one that matches our nightstands. So I thought I would bring you guys along. This is the dresser we're gonna get. Like I said, it matches our nightstands that we currently have. So we have 3 drawer dressers as nightstands, and we need something for under our TV because we have this really old dresser that's huge and it's just been there and it's kind of like an eyesore. So we finally want to get this one. So we're just gonna go and see where they have it. So it's $300 and I want the gray. Is this the gray stained? No, white stained. Oh, so it's an aisle 26 bin 22, but they do offer it in other colors. We were on our way to get the dresser, but we walked by the real plants that they have here, and I need a like a tree for a pot that I have, and we saw this one and I'm thinking if I should get it, this one right here, and I think it's $30, which sounds kind of cheap. But I don't know. I've never taken care of a real tree, so I'm a little nervous. I don't know what I should do. Do you think we should take it?
Do you want it?
What if I kill it? You think it is $29? Is that another price right there? Like, if we spin it? Because they all have a sticker.
Dracana chopstick is this one.
Oh, look, 8 inch.
But knowing
oh, let me look online. So aisle 26, bin 22, and I want. Wait, but the color. This is white, gray stained. Black, brown, white. White, this one. White stained oak. It says it comes with 3 packages. Okay guys, we found it.
I want to make sure it's the right
one. 103, 604, 69. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, we have all 3 parts. Looks like it's like low on stock, so we got lucky. We picked up these other little things. These are like paper blinds. They're super cheap. They're $4 and they're just like temporary blinds that we want to put in our garage windows. And then I just got one of these because I needed it. We are leaving now and I will show you guys when we get home and build it. This is what the dresser is looking like. We just have 1 drawer left to do. It did take us 2 hours to build. I'm sure you guys have built IKEA stuff before. Like, it's not hard. It's a lot of steps, so it takes a while. But this is what it looks like. This is the other dresser I was telling you guys about, that it's an eyesore. And I've been wanting to get rid of it, but we just needed somewhere to put our clothes. So finally we have this one, and I'll show you guys tomorrow once there's daylight in here and I have it like all decorated. I will show you guys the final look. So I'm currently at Target because I want to decorate the dresser that we bought for our room, and I also want to decorate the little corner next to the dresser. So I wanted to see what new stuff they got in, and I found this perfect accent table that I'm gonna put on the corner. And then I found this bowl And my curtains are gray in my bedroom, so I wanted to bring in like another gray item. And then I found this little cute frame. I don't think this will go in the room, but I'm pretty sure I can find a home for this. And then this one, I just want to see if it's on sale, because this is from the past drop, and I've noticed that a lot of the stuff is on sale, but it's not stickered. But yeah, how cool is this table? I'm just gonna keep looking around to see what other new stuff they got in. Like, I also wanted to get this. But I don't know if this is the vibe. So I'll wait on that. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys how I decorate. I am back home and I wanted to show you guys what the bedroom looks like right now. It's a little embarrassing, but this is what it looks like. And then this is the dresser from Ikea. So this is what this side of the wall looks like. I've never shown this side before because, I mean, you guys saw that there was really nothing there other than this big dresser right here. So I finally have this empty corner here and I wanted to make it a little moment. So in the meantime, I've had this chair here, but it would obviously make more sense for me to move it into the corner. So I want to make it a little moment there. And that's why I bought that accent table. But before I get into decorating that corner, I wanted to deep clean the room. So every time I clean the room, I kind of just make the bed and vacuum. But I want to wipe down the nightstands. I also want to dust the fan because I have to admit I have not dusted the fan in a long time. So I want to do that. And then I also want to clean the mirror. And I'm thinking about lint rolling the lamps because I do see a little bit of fuzz on here. So I'm gonna go do that, clean the tree or like wipe the leaves, and then do the bed, of course. I'm gonna do new sheets and wash all these sheets, and then vacuum, and then finally set up this corner just so that when I'm done with this corner, the room will be completely finished and you guys can see the final look. This is what the corner looks like right now. I definitely don't have the right pieces for this area. I basically used a bunch of things that I already had, but it could look so much better, but I just made it work right now with what I have. So above the dresser, I kind of just made up little sections with what I had, like I said, but I do want to get newer things that would make more sense, because like this tray is basically the same color as the dresser and it just doesn't really stand out. And then for this corner, I did move the tree that I had next to the nightstand. I moved it here because it kind of felt like I needed something tall here. So I'm kind of thinking of getting a lamp, like a tall black lamp, or maybe a lamp that kind of like curves on top of the chair, and then maybe putting the tree back to where it was, and then obviously I would get rid of this lamp because I would have a bigger lamp. So then I would just do like a little vase with flowers, or a vase with plants. So since I'm getting rid of this green, I would just add the green there. And then I also do have this little DIY that I posted about on my Instagram and TikTok. So it's basically a pillowcase that I turned into artwork, and I put it in this frame. So I was thinking putting that frame here because it would kind of balance the wood colors of the dresser, because the frame is the exact same wood tone as that. So unless I just get some other completely different frame, I don't know. But for now, I think it looks cute. It's obviously so much better than what used to be here, which was basically nothing, just a big dresser on the side. I definitely like it, but I'm excited because it just means that I get to go and buy more stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cleaning by vacuuming, and then I'll give you guys a whole room tour. So that is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this area. If you have any tips for me on what to do on the wall, let me know in the comments down below. And when I update this, I will probably post it on TikTok and Instagram, so follow me on there. Don't forget to subscribe so you see every time I upload on here, and I will see you guys on my next video.